Bangkok, land of golden temples, sizzling street food, and endless energy. If you're visiting for the first time and wondering how to fit it all in, we've got you covered. This 5-day itinerary is packed with must-see sights, local eats, hidden gems, and a little adventure too. Whether you're here for culture, shopping, partying, or just soaking in the vibes, this is the perfect way to experience Thailand's capital like a pro. By the end, we hope to turn your next destination into your best trip yet. Let's jump in. Welcome to Bangkok. After checking into your hotel, whether you're staying riverside in Sukhumvit or a cozy hostel near Khao Road, take some time to freshen up and get your bearings. Once you're ready, it's time to explore the heart of Bangkok's history. Start with the stunning Grand Palace. It's Bangkok's most iconic landmark and home to the sacred Emerald Buddha. Pro tip, dress modestly, no shorts or sleeveless tops, or they won't let you in. Right next door is Wat Pho, famous for the massive reclining Buddha, and as the birthplace of traditional Thai massage. Treat yourself to a relaxing massage right at the temple grounds. By now, you're probably hungry, so grab lunch at a local spot like Thip Samai for some of the best pad thai in the city. Don't worry, it's touristy for a reason. In the afternoon, hop on a longtail boat and cruise through the Chao Phraya River and canals, called klongs, for a peaceful glimpse of local life. You'll see floating houses, riverside temples, and maybe even a water monitor or two. As the sun sets, head to the nearby rooftop bar at Sala Ratanakosin, or Eagle Nest for views of Wat Arun lighting up across the river. Wrap up the day with a stroll down Khao Road. It's loud, it's chaotic, but it's a rite of passage. Grab a mango sticky rice, sip a Singa beer, and soak in your first night in Bangkok. What's your favorite temple in Bangkok? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're enjoying this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Rise and shine. It's time to explore the city like a local. Start your morning at the vibrant Chatuchak weekend market if it's a Saturday or Sunday. With over 15,000 stalls, it's a paradise for everything from souvenirs to vintage clothes and tasty street eats. Try a coconut ice cream or some grilled pork skewers, you won't regret it. If it's a weekday, swap Chatuchak for Ortor Core Market, just across the road. It's cleaner, calmer, and packed with beautiful local produce and Thai snacks. Next up, temple time. Head over to Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. Climb the central prang for sweeping views of the river and city skyline. It's one of the most photogenic spots in Bangkok, so have your camera ready. From there, cross the river by ferry and grab a quick lunch. Try boat noodles at Victory Monument, a local favorite and super affordable. In the afternoon, let's switch gears and dive into Bangkok's modern side. Make your way to the Siam area, this is shopping central. Whether you're into high-end brands at Siam Paragon, quirky finds at Siam Center, or indie fashion at Siam Square, it's all right here. Feeling fancy? Treat yourself to afternoon tea at one of the posh hotel cafes, or grab a local milk tea and chill in MBK Center if you're on a budget. As evening hits, ride the BTS SkyTrain to Asiatique the riverfront. It's a cool open-air night market meets entertainment zone. You've got restaurants, a giant Ferris wheel, and even traditional Thai puppet shows. End your day with dinner by the river, seafood, live music, and maybe even a sunset photo or two. Bangkok's got layers, and today you've peeled back a few of the best. Have you ever been to Chatuchak Market? Share your experience in the comments. And if you're enjoying this guide, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Today is all about diving deeper into Thai culture and trying your hand at making some delicious food of your own. Start your morning at Thompson House, a peaceful oasis tucked into the middle of the city. This beautifully preserved teakwood house belonged to the American businessman who helped revive Thailand's silk industry. The tour is short and sweet, and it's a great way to understand a little more about Thai architecture and history. From there, jump into a Thai cooking class. There are tons of great options around the city, like Bai Pai Thai Cooking School or Sampong Thai Cooking School. You'll learn how to make classics like green curry, tom yum soup, or mango sticky rice. And yes, you get to eat everything you cook. In the afternoon, take it slow. Head over to Lumpini Park, Bangkok's version of Central Park. rent a pedal boat, spot some monitor lizards, or just enjoy a break from the urban buzz under the shade of the trees. If you're in the mood for a little self-care, this is the perfect time for a traditional Thai spa treatment. Go for a full body massage or a luxurious herbal steam at places like Healthland or Let's Relax Spa. They're affordable and seriously rejuvenating. Now, if you're up for a bit of nightlife, Bangkok's got no shortage of options. For something classy, check out Octave Rooftop Lounge in Thonglor. 360-degree city views and killer cocktails. If you'd rather go full local, hop into a tuk-tuk and explore the speakeasy bars hidden behind noodle shops and old doors. You'll find gems like Teens of Thailand or Asia Today tucked away in Chinatown. No matter how you spend the night, Day 3 is all about enjoying the rhythm of the city through taste, tradition, and a little bit of chill. Which sky bar would you most like to visit? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides. Time to swap the city lights for something a little more timeless. Day 4 is all about the day trip, and we're heading out early, so set that alarm and grab a coffee to go. First stop, the Maeklong Railway Market. Yep, the one where a train literally runs through the middle of the market. It's wild, it's tight, and when the whistle blows, vendors calmly pull back their awnings like it's just another Tuesday. Don't forget to have your camera ready. It's a one-of-a-kind experience. From there, head over to the Damnoen Chatuchak Floating Market, the most iconic one near Bangkok. It's touristy, but still worth it for the colors, the chaos, and the classic photo ops. Glide through the canals in a long-tail boat, try some boat-cooked noodles or grilled bananas, and soak in that old-school river vibe. After lunch, continue north to Ayutthaya, the ancient capital of Siam. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is packed with crumbling temples, giant Buddha statues, and centuries of history. Rent a bike or hop in a tuk-tuk to explore the highlights. Wat Arun, where the Buddha head is wrapped in tree roots, and Wat Arun, which looks like something straight out of an adventure movie. On the way back to Bangkok, relax and maybe even nap a little. It's been a big day of exploring. If you're not totally wiped out, grab an easy dinner nearby your hotel, or head to Rod Fine Night Market for a final round of street food, vintage finds, and local atmosphere under neon lights. Today gave you a glimpse of Thailand beyond Bangkok. And trust me, those memories are going to stick with you. Which day trip would you choose, Ayutthaya or the floating markets? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your final day in Bangkok, but we're not slowing down just yet. Today is all about soaking in the last bits of the city at your own pace with time to shop, relax, and reflect. Start your morning at Erawan Shrine, located right in the middle of the city near Chit Lom. It's a small but powerful spiritual spot where locals stop by to pray and leave offerings. You might even catch traditional Thai dancers performing live as part of people's offerings. After that, take a stroll through the connected skywalk between Central World, Siam Paragon, and Gaesorn Village. It's a great way to beat the heat and do some last-minute shopping, whether you're looking for high-end brands, local designer pieces, or Thai snacks to take home. If you haven't had enough food adventures yet, swing by Pier 21 Food Court in Terminal 21. It's local food at local prices, and it's air-conditioned. Grab one last plate of Thai basil chicken or some tom in papaya salad, and maybe even a coconut smoothie for the road. In the afternoon, escape the bustle one last time with a visit to the Kachao Green Lung, a hidden jungle in the middle of the city. Rent a bike, explore the quiet lanes and elevated walkways, and breathe in a little green peace before heading home. If that's too much of a trek, a quiet cafe near the river or a Thai tea in hand at a rooftop lounge works just as well. As the sun sets, find your perfect spot to say goodbye. Whether it's a riverside view, a hidden soy bar, or just watching the skyline light up one last time. Bangkok is fast, fun, and full of energy, but it's also a place that lingers long after you leave. So that's your 5-day Bangkok itinerary. Temples, tuk-tuk, noodles, night markets, and everything in between. Whether it's your first time or just the beginning, Bangkok always gives you a reason to come back. What's your favorite memory from Bangkok? Share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. So there you have it. 5 unforgettable days in Bangkok. From floating markets to rooftop views, ancient temples to modern malls, you've tasted the soul of the city. Planning your trip? Drop your questions in the comments and I'll help you out. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel guides, and share it with your fellow explorers. And hey, if you've been to Bangkok before, let us know your favorite spot that we might have missed. Until next time, happy travels and see you at the next destination.